nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Guys, today is something very nice, cool, Italian and easy to do. When you have a friend, when you have a party, like antipasti, very easy. I'm gonna make involtini di bresaola. Involtini is a roll with stuff inside. I'm gonna show you what we need. We need, of course, bresaola. Bresaola is a charcuterie. You can find, it's like ham, stuff like that. You can find in any supermarket, bresaola. It's beef, it's super lean, it's perfect. I'm gonna use some fruit. I'm gonna use some fig. I'm gonna use apple. I'm gonna use some basil, mozzarella, soft cheese basically. Mozzarella, triangle, if you have Philadelphia, stuff like that. Any soft cheese that you like. And I'm gonna use some peanuts and black pepper. It's very easy, guys. Okay, I show you what we're gonna do. We take our slice of bresaola. I start with fig. Oh, I love that. And cut it. Look at that, fantastic. And we don't need much. Like this, we put in this example some triangle like this, slice of basil, a couple peanuts inside, pine nuts, and a little touch of black pepper. Guys, this is almost done. Later, look, just roll it like this. But the job is done. Later, if you want to use the stick, up to you. But this, when you have a friend, party, you know, it's very good. And now, the first one is there. I show you another one. And this is basically, you're gonna take like this. I just put in your mouth. Always, guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on channel, and check our website, cooking.italian.com. I show you another one. We're gonna use apple example. You know, I wash all the fruit before. A nice, like not too thin, nice one. Put inside here. Maybe just cut the end. I don't want to break the bresaola because it's very fine. Now you can use different. You can use almond. You can use what you want. Some mozzarella. This time I used basil, but you can use rocket, any salad. But with basil, I really like. A little bit pepper, and again, just roll it. Very gentle. There, it's fantastic. Look, you know, it's so easy. But guys, trust me, when you try it, it's gonna be absolutely delicious. Now, I'm going to finish my roll, my involtini di bresaola, and we're gonna test straight away. Okay? Okay, guys. My bresaola roll is ready. Look how beautiful it is, you know. And now the last touch is some honey, if you like. But I recommend you take some honey and, you know, just on the top a little bit like this. Oh, look at that. Yes, is the job is done, guys. You see? Fantastic. Oh yeah. Absolutely stunning. I really like it. Guys, my involtini or roll bresaola is this. Beautiful, easy, and it's so cool. If you like, always finger up and follow us. Ciao!